Good morning to one and all present. Today we're going to discuss about a topic called satellite communication. What is this satellite communications? Before going for this, today we'll discuss this content in the following PPT. The introductions, working, orbits, frequencies allocations, satellite launch vehicles, advantages and then disadvantages. Introductions. The word satellite originated from the Latin word satellite, meaning an attendant, one who is constantly hovering around and attending to a master. A satellite is a simple any about that moves around another, on in a mathematically predictable path called an orbit. This is a sample diagram of the satellite. We have these commands like command antenna, communication antenna, solar, this battery. Working. The basic elements of a satellite communication system is shown. The process begins at an Earth station and installations designed to transmit and receive signals from a satellite in orbit around Earth. Earth stations is information is in form of high power, high frequency signals to satellite which receives. The area which receives the signal of useful strength from the satellite is known as the satellite's footprint. The transmission system from the Earth station to the satellite is called the uplink, and the system from the satellite to the Earth station is called the downlink. These are some of the diagram. This is an uplink and this is the downlink. The orbits, the geostation's Earth orbit, object is in a geostationary orbit, revolve around the Earth at the same speed as the Earth rotates. This means geosatellites remain in the same position related to the surface of Earth. Because of the long distance from the Earth, it gives a large coverage area, almost a fourth of the Earth. MEO satellites have a larger coverage area than LEO satellites. The MEO satellites longer durations of visibility and wider footprint means the satellites are needed in the MEO network and then a LEO network. The MEO satellites have a larger coverage area than LEO satellites. These are some of the MEO. Low Earth orbit LEO and then medium Earth orbit MEO. LEO satellites are much closer to the Earth than the GEO satellites, ranging from 500 to 1000 km above the surface. This is working of the satellites where these are the magnitude attitude control and then working at the ionosphere currents, and the radio wave disturbance will come over the ionosphere currents, electricity grid discipline, signal certifications. These are some of the commands and then the points of the satellites which has been launched. Frequency allocations. Frequency bands for the satellite services of SAT with the terrestrial services. Satellites signal strength is constrained to avoid the interface by it to others with a larger antenna and sensitive receiver are. Many satellites have to SAT limited frequency band thus coordinations in frequency and orbital locales. These are some of the frequency bands: L band, S band, C band, X band, Ku band, and K band, Ka band. L band stands for 1 to 2 GHz and S band stands for 2 to 4 GHz and X band 8 to 12.5 GHz. Ku band is 12.5 to 26 GHz and then K band is 18 to 26.5 GHz. Ka band 36 to 40 GHz. Satellite launches vehicles. Fast flight, a launch vehicle or a carrier rocket is rocket used to carry a payload from the Earth's surface to the outer surface. The launch system includes the launch vehicles, the launch pad, and other infrastructure. Although a carrier rocket's payload is often not trivial, satellite placed orbit. One of the examples is called the Pilat Polar satellite. If we move further in advantages, the coverage area of the satellite greatly exceeds that of the terrestrial system. The transmission cost of the satellite is independent, the distance from the center of the coverage area. Disadvantages: launching the satellites into the orbits is costly. Satellites. These are some of the diagrams. Propagations delay in satellite communications and then industrial communications. This is the satellite which we launch in the downside to the update applications, telephony, televisions, and radio. Where nowadays we are using more satellite launched applications with the mobile phone, the laptop, and the iPad, and then amateur radio, and the mobile satellite technology, internet, high speed technologies, possibilities, radio broadcast, TV broadcast, and then night time loading video and receiving attend the video conferencing, asymmetric internet to the TV or online education through the internet, voice, white and internet, webcam as written link, talkback channel as written link, and then internet on the written link. These are some of the technological possibilities of the satellite launch applications. Today we'll discuss this. We'll discuss the next topic in the next class. Thank you.